Welcome to ToolSpec. Today we're going to check out which new tools Ryobi is going to come out with in 2025. On the 40 volt platform, we're going to see a few tools coming out, including 3 brushless lawnmower, all of them with a 21-inch deck. The first one is going to be a push mower, which will include a 8 amp hour battery and a fast charger. It's going to have a power equivalent to a 163cc gas mower. With the cut command center, you're going to be able to monitor your battery life, have the turbo mode button, and be able to control your light. A 6 amp hour battery is going to give you a runtime of about 45 minutes, 55 minutes with the 8 amp hour, and with the 12 amp hour battery, you're going to have a runtime of about 90 minutes. You can also fold the handle for easy storage. The second lawnmower is self-propel, and it comes as a kit with 2 6 amp hour battery and a fast charger. This one also compared to a 163cc gas mower. The rear wheel are variable speed. It will also have the cut command center. Compared to our first lawnmower, this one actually have 2 active battery ports. You can expect the runtime with 2 6 amp hour battery of 80 minutes, 2 8 amp hour battery 105 minutes, and 2 12 amp hour 160 minutes. Our third lawnmower is going to be also a self-propel lawnmower, but this one comes with a multi-blade. This is also a kit of 2 6 amp hour battery and a fast charger. This one's a little bit more powerful. We can expect to compare to a 170cc gas mower. They also have 2 active battery ports, and the self-propel wheels are actually 11-inch instead of the 10-inch of the other 2 lawnmowers. The rear wheel are adjustable and variable speed. The cut command center have the smart track paddle to be able to adjust your variable speed. With 2 6 amp hour battery, you can expect a runtime of 75 minutes, 2 8 amp hour 100 minutes, and 2 12 amp hour 150 minutes. The hedge battery technology also come into the 40 volt system. Ryobi is releasing a 4 amp hour and an 8 amp hour with the 21700 tabless cell. With the CoolCore Pro upgraded heat sink to reduce the temperature. Those cells deliver more power, more runtime, run cooler, and live longer. All because of the tabless cell technology. And those batteries also charge faster. If you have lots of 40 volt battery, you might be interested in the light topper. This light is 1000 lumen and can run up to 11 days with a 12 amp hour battery. It has 4 modes: high, medium, low, and ultra low. And also include a USB-C charging port for your device. This light is going to run for about $40 US, which is a pretty good deal. But if you don't already have the 40 volt battery, then you're running into a few $100s just for a light. For the hot summer day, they're releasing the fan topper, which is 160 CFM and can last for 166 hours of runtime with a 12 amp hour battery. Now this fan has 3 speeds: high, medium, and low. They're also going to retail for around $40 US. You can expect Ryobi to release 2 new tools for the USB system. One of them is going to be a compact chemical sprayer, which is supposed to be good to spray your garden and your plants and have enough charge per battery to spray about 20 tanks full. The sprayer can spray over 18 feet, and it has an adjustable nozzle so you can stream mist or have a fan setting. It will come with a 2 amp hour battery and a charging cable. Our second USB tool is going to be the shear shrubber kit, which also includes a 2 amp hour battery and a charging cable. It has a capacity of cutting 5/16, which is great for small hedges and delicate garden. It have a runtime of 35 minutes, and it includes a 6-inch scrubber blade and 3-inch shearing blade. We're also going to see a neat little USB light with a magnetic tray, and include the 2 amp hour battery and the charging cable. It's a 450 lumen with a high and low mode. The runtime on low with a 2 amp hour battery is 28 hours. For the 18 volt OnePlus system, you can expect a HP brushless 24-inch edge trimmer, which will come with a charger and a 2 amp hour battery. This edge trimmer is equivalent to a 20cc gas edge trimmer. It has a 3/4 inch cut capacity. You can expect a runtime with a 2 amp hour battery of 25 minutes, 52 minutes with a 4 amp hour, and with a 6 amp hour, 78 minutes. Very soon, we're going to see the HP Compact Brushless Barrel Grip Jigsaw. It's going to come in a kit with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. It will also include a vacuum dust adapter and a wood blade. This tool has 6-speed and an easy release blade, cutting from 900 to 3,200 stroke per minute at 1-inch stroke length. We're going to see a HP brushless 15 gauge angle finishing nailer. This one's going to be 25% more compact and lighter weight. It's going to be able to take 1.25 to 2.5 inch nails. This one is actually supposed to have no delay compared to the other ones that Ryobi released before. With the 4 amp hour HP battery, it's supposed to be able to go through 1,500 nails. It is actually angled so you can get into corners easier. And the last 18 volt OnePlus tool that we're going to see today is the 10-inch string trimmer. It's supposed to be one of the lightest trimmer that Ryobi is going to release. It has a easy edge twist shaft. You can expect a 35-minute runtime with a 2 amp hour battery. Well, that gives us a nice wide range of tools to expect for 2025. Let me know in the comment below which tool you think is the one for you.